your desktop, type touch from your search tab and click calibrate. Select other and select go to pen and touch screen. If it is not available, just click OK, OK and close the tab. Open your browser and go to your computer brand site. Load this website and wait. From that website, you can see they will prompt you to enter your service tag, or you can just click detect PC. If you have your service tag, then just type your service tag and click submit. Wait for the website to go to the other page. Select driver and download and look for your laptop model. Select your laptop model and click download to download your driver. Wait to complete the download. Once it is finished, then just click the file and run. Make sure your PC is plugged in. Just click OK and another again OK to install the driver. Now you're installing the driver. The computer will immediately start after this. Save and close all important files. Wait for the computer to restart and then test your touch screen. Now you can see it's working. You can see now the screen is working. The touch screen is working. Alright, now okay, then try to go back to your touch screen setting, configuration, select and click it. Then from the tab, you select other and again click go to pen and touch. Now you will see the settings option is there. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.